Hello, learners in Junior High School 1. I am very excited to meet you today in our Owop classroom. I am your facilitator, Mr. KWAKYE Edward. To begin with our first lesson in our world and our people, we are going to begin with God, His creation and attributes. God, His creation and attributes. And then under this strand, the sub-strand that we will deal with will be God, the creator. One of us, who is God or who is the creator of the world? You agree with me in your previous lessons, in your previous classes in RMD, Religious and Moral Education, that your teacher or facilitator taught you about who God is, what creation is, and then some of the attributes of God. In our lesson, in our world, and our people today, we will look at God as the creator. And I first explained, if you want to know who God is, in our lesson, you will define and describe God as the creator of the universe. God is the creator of the universe. In your previous lessons in primary 4, primary 5, I think your teachers and facilitators have talked to you a lot about who God is. So you bear with me with this very particular definition. God is also known as the Supreme Being. I can remember in class 4, yes, in class 4, you were taught who the Supreme Being is, or who the Supreme Being was. It was defined as He is the force. The Supreme Being is the force that created heaven and earth and all the things in them. And all these kind of things were created in 6 days. The creation of the universe was done within 6 days. And then on the 7th day, God rested. So I'm putting it in the sense that I said that it is the force that created heaven and earth and all the things in them in 6 days and rested on the 7th day. It means that on the 7th day, nothing was created. And you can recall that your teacher or facilitator taught you that human beings were the last creatures of God. Human beings were the last things God created. And as such, the rest of God's creations or God's creatures was given to humankind to take control over it, as we heard in our classrooms in our previous classes. We are going to define what creation is. We can't talk and then know who the Supreme Being is or who God is without talking about creation. In simple terms, we said that creation can be defined as the act of bringing new things into existence. The act of bringing new things into the world. The act of creating new things. So the moment a new thing is brought on board, you can say creation has taken place. So bringing new things into existence is what we call creation. The process of creation is still ongoing. Yes, some people have doubts in the fact that God still creates or creation processes still takes place. Over here, I've put it clearly that the process of creation is still ongoing. And why do I say so? It is so or it is true because human beings and other living things continue to reproduce. That is giving rise or giving birth to their young ones of their same kind every day. Day in and day out, human beings give birth. Day in, day out, living things like animals produce young ones of their kind. Plants also begin to produce their young ones. So this all can be put together to be deemed or to be called creation. So don't have divided attentions about what we are saying. So far as we see people giving birth, we see animals giving birth, we see plants producing their younger ones. All these things are what we call creation because at the end, new things are produced from this. We have heard a lot about the creation stories, and there are 3 main religions in Ghana: the Islamic religion, the Christian religion, and then the traditional religion. With all these kind of religious bodies, they all have their beliefs on these creation stories. And in subsequent lessons, we'll be looking at the beliefs of Christians, the beliefs of Muslims and then the beliefs of the traditional religion. So, introducing this topic, I'll say all the three main religions believe that there is only one God who created the world and everything in it. Yes, even if today was even the first day you were born, you agree that God is the creator of the universe, and we don't have any other God apart from the supreme being we are spoken about in introduction. So all the three main religions believe that there is only one God who created the world and everything in it. However, their belief on creation differs. I first said that the belief of Christians on creation is different or may differ from the Islamic religion. And then also, the belief of the Islamic religious body on creation will also differ from the traditional religion. When it happens like that, all we need to do is to what? Agree and then accept the beliefs of any of these kinds of religious bodies we have. It is therefore important to understand and appreciate the differences in the belief systems of Christians, Muslims, and traditional religious worshippers. Don't think that because you are a Christian, your belief in the Christian religion supersedes the one of the Islamic religion. No. The Islamic religious body or a member of the Islamic religion will also think that his belief also supersedes the Christian religion, and then vice versa. When it happens like that, you are getting everything wrong, because we all have ways and means by which we believe in the Christian story. This is where I want to end in today's lesson and promise to continue with the way the beliefs that religious groups also think about how things were created in our next lesson. Thank you very much, and then hope to see you in our next lesson. Thank you very much.